Hello my dear friends, today I just wanted to do an unboxing of this Amazon Basics lightweight tripod with a bag. It's a 60-inch tripod with a plate which also can be used for your DSLR, for your camera, for your action camera. It can hold up to about 3 kgs and 60 inches, 3 kgs. I got it for $26 on Amazon. I got it in a week's time, and so let's do the unboxing, and hopefully we'll be able to see what's on the inside. And I apologize if you can't hear me properly. I just connected this mic of course I'll check the audio a little later. So this is the Amazon's 60-inch tripod. It came in this box. Actually, they asked me when I was ordering whether do I want it in the original packaging or in this Amazon's own box. So because it's a transparent box or something, that's what they mentioned on the website. So I chose the Amazon box, and that's how it is. That's how the box looks like. So yeah. So that's what it is. Comes in a bag, and the bag looks pretty decent. Nice. It's not very heavy. I think the weight should be around not more than 3 kgs, and it can also hold 3 kgs if I'm not mistaken. Of course you can't mount like a big red camera or something which is like 5 kgs or more than 5 kgs, but yeah, this should be decent. Aluminum. It's an aluminum build with rubber bushes. Well, I'm just going to show it to you. So here we go. This bag was decent though. Okay, so that's how it looks like inside the plastic. Plastic is pretty nice also. And that's what it is. One of the primary reasons also that I wanted to buy this one is because this one has a handle right here. The other feature was this bubble. I don't know if you can see it. I'm just trying to. Was this bubble level indicator right here, and also right here. So when you do the pan and tilt, and of course when you open the tripod and then put it somewhere, you would know the level of it. One of the other reasons is that these rubber bushes right at the bottom, these 3 are good quality, nice and sturdy, plus these locks so that you can adjust your height and stuff. So yeah, let's just open this one. They have also given a hook, if you see it over here, maybe just to hang this when the legs are all closed. Maybe you can hang it somewhere, or you can hang something on it. I don't know how that's going to work out, but we'll find out. you hopefully you guys should be able to see it over here. I don't know how to open this one. Okay, now that's the additional, this is the main. There is a lock somewhere here, which okay. It's all right. Okay. So this, there are two levels actually, more than two levels. That's the, as soon as you open the first lock, you can pull that one out, right? When you open the second lever, you can pull the third piece or the third part of this leg and then just snap that in place, right? And of course the same thing that goes for these two. And that's already in place. Okay, it feels a little sturdy, not very sturdy of course, because these legs, they are slightly on the thinner side, very slightly, but yeah, overall. And I can see the indicator already, the small one, which I think, so yeah, so now that looks like in the center, so maybe that leg needs to be pulled out a little bit more, maybe. Okay. I don't know, I feel one of these legs is a little short, because maybe slightly, very slightly short, because I see the bubble, and the bubble you have to see it this way, exactly like a 90-degree angle. Yeah, I think maybe there is like an inch or a half an inch gap from the ground. But anyways, we'll move ahead. So that's the handle with which you can probably move this tripod back and forth. You can do an extra, so there's a lever right here which allows you to bring that up and then tighten your tilt and pan handle in place. Of course, again, I'm looking at the built-in bubble meter, and because it's new, of course, so you have to have a little bit of it's a little tight. So okay, now it looks like it's in place, so I'm just going to tighten that up. There is one more lever, and you just rotate that clockwise and you can increase the height of this, and that brings up this plate to I think 60 inches, which is about 5 feet. I'm just wearing these chappals, but I am around 5'11", so this comes right up to, if I end up putting like a DSLR or something, if I want to see right through the viewfinder, I can do that, and so that will help definitely. I'm just going to tighten that. There is this one lock which removes the plate on which you're going to, and that comes off if you have to remove it for some reason. All right, and this will allow you to mount your, okay, so this is if you mount your DSLR or your any other plate on top of this one, you can do that. So let's say, for example, if you want to, I have this another mobile holder, so I am gonna try and attach that. And then mount that on that, mount this plate on top of the tripod. Okay, because this is new and the plastic and the rubber, everything is new, you might see a few pieces of them over here, so don't freak out. It's not the grease. I think it's nothing to be worried about. Okay, so now I'm just going to put this back in place. Okay, so this is mounted. That was quick. One of the most interesting piece over here is this tilt with which you can have your phone, your cell phone, in a horizontal, from a horizontal to a vertical position. So that I'm going to get my another phone to show it to you guys. Let me bring that real quick. Sorry guys, I should have got this beforehand, but okay, so this is just my another spare cell phone. So let's see. Okay, so that's how probably it's going to look like once you have it mounted. And so yeah, so for that horizontal position, that vertical position which I was talking about, if you I think I want to have the plate this way. So that's your camera lens, that's your screen over there. And if you then want to tilt it, so you can do a pan this way, right? And then of course you can do your tilt. That's pretty sturdy. And then of course if you want to lock it in one place, you can do that. And then that's the vertical position. And then you, of course, there is a, you can have a look at this bubble meter, which comes in real handy. And then position your cell phone in a vertical manner like this. And that also, you can do a pan, and then of course you can do your tilt and then take those nice shots wherever you want to take this tripod, and then place it somewhere, take nice photos, nice videos, landscape photography, whatever photography, put this in your studio, wherever, right? And then yeah, also for the young folks out there, if they want to make their TikTok videos, you can do that too. Have it placed somewhere like this, and then have a light over there, and then do whatever that you have to do. So yeah, so I'm really excited, and I'm glad I got this Amazon Basics tripod, 60-inch tripod. It can hold up to 3 kgs of weight. I think you can probably get away with probably 3.5 kgs, maybe 4 kgs, I'm not sure. For $26, I think it's a great value. And with this handle, with these two bubble level meters, and then of course this this lever, if you want to take it down, maybe you can just rotate this lever and then take it down a little bit. And I think 60 inches, which translates to 5 feet, that's a good enough height. And on top of that, if you want to if you want to go higher than that, what you can also do is, on this plate you can mount your that's what I was intending to do if I wanted to take some really aerial shots or something like that, or videos, that on this plate you can mount your selfie sticks. Like my selfie stick, I had got it from it's a Sunpack selfie stick, very basic, which comes with a Bluetooth. Of course, yeah, I mean, this one doesn't come with any other accessories or any other any other Bluetooth or any other holder for the phone. This you'll have to buy it separately. So with that Bluetooth, that Sunpack selfie stick, at the bottom there is a hole over there, and that probably can be mounted on this, and that selfie stick itself is like maybe 23 inches, maybe more, I don't know. So yeah, if I put that on this one and then just boom, then it can go higher than probably 7 feet, I think 7.5 feet. So yeah, so suit yourself. I just wanted to do this unboxing and then help you guys try to figure out as to, if you're trying to buy a tripod, what it has, what features it has, how much does it cost, where you can buy. I'll try to put the link in the description, and then you can check it out online, and then probably buy this one if you guys want to. Anyways, so I hope you liked this video. If you do, please give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment.